Slot 110, and we'll verify that to
After start checklist. Hydraulic pumps. Auto. FedEx. Reset alternate. GP extra. Off move. Ice section override is auto. Pack SAM bleeds are set. Starlight's on. Flight director autopilot set to my side and off. Set to the right and off. Takeoff data and speed set 38, 470, 15, 16, 29, 59. 38, 470, 15, 16,
Ramp
29.
Envoy 316 Golf number 2.
Or actually, we did it for the 30.
Yeah, we did it for the card. So. Alright, ICAS check. Check.
I need you to hold 110 once you pull in. Please hold 110. They're going to be parking
APU
at 30.
is on. Seatbelt harness is on.
And I'll call you back after they are cleared out the way.
Envoy 9859, runway 17 right, taxi via hotel. Actually, Hotel Yankee, Yankee short of kilo.
Hotel Yankee, Yankee short of kilo 17 right, envoy 98.
Hotel Yankee.
Yankee short of kilo.
Alrighty. Once we get on the bridge, you can start number 2.
Alright, great.
Hey, Ground Americans 1839, we got a good gate.
Ready for it?
10.
Yep.
Circuit 1839 ground, thanks taxi via kilo to the ramp.
Okay, kilo to the ramp, Americans 1839.
Verted 1403 ground, if you're up, give way to the company right left at Papa.
Give way to the company right left at Papa, and we're on west side today, American 1403.
Thanks, sir.
DFW ground, Martech 628, Charlie 2 with the India.
Our Texas 58 ground, the west ground opened up on point 5.
Okay.
Follow me on the right, auto check.
Envoy 9859, you can continue now via Lima and Echo Hotel.
Lima Echo Hotel envoy 9859.
Lima Echo Hotel. Tax checklist.
Text checklist. Second engine start complete. Complete. Steering checked. Check. Takeoff briefing. Complete. FedEx grease alternate. Pack SAM bleeds are set.
Runway 423, that traffic ahead's not ready. Get angle right, use Echo Hotel and tower 2655.
Section override is auto. FMS is set. Runway 17 right.
17 right.
First fix.
Ground 34 problem
check.
bridge,
Taxi check.
4 takeoff to the line.
Envoy 3410 ground, taxi to the ramp.
Takeoff. Okay.
Flight attendant, please prepare the cabin for departure. Alright, before takeoff,
Ground, County 502 Heavy, Yankee Bridge.
Set.
County 502 Heavy ground, good morning, runway 17 right, taxi via Lima Echo Hotel.
Lima Echo
They said
Hotel,
Lima,
runway
right?
17 right, County
Yep.
502.
Lima Echo Hotel.
Lima Echo.
Skywest 32 ground, what's the spot?
53.
Clear
Roger that, continue
Clear.
on Juliet Sierra.
Envoy 9859, runway 17 right, line of Boyd.
17 right, line Boyd on Boyd 9859.
American 353, contact parcel soon. Good day, American 353. Envoy 3416, taxi via the Echo Sierra route, monitor ground .65.
Takeoff checklist below the line. Gas lock is free. Free. Flight controls checked. Fuelman takeoff 10.1 is checked. Transponder TARA.
Envoy 9859, RNAV to Trex, runway 17 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Trex 17 right, clear for takeoff on Boyd 9859.
County 502, DFW, turning 17 right, line of Boyd.
Exterior
Line of
light
way 17 right, County 502.
Runway 17 right.
Runway 138, caution, white turbo 376, will park on board. 138, copy.
Thrust set. 80 knots.
80 knots. rotate. V2.
Only 3496, Papa 2, Echo
Positive
Sierra
rate,
behind an
you're out.
RJ at Echo Romeo and monitor
In
ground
transit,
0.65.
slide nav.
Alright, Papa 2, you're behind the aircraft of Echo Sierra. Monitor ground level 3496.
135, 70, 40, up to be turning 17 left, clear to land with 20012.
Acceleration
Runway
altitude,
9859,
select
contact
speed
departure,
200. Flap stop.
Off departure 9859.
Runway 4043, taxi via Echo Romeo, short of Papa. 92, thank you. 5 Golf, I'm maintain
Flap stop.
17,000.
After takeoff checklist. You can select flight level change. After takeoff checklist complete.
Departure envoy 9859 out of 2,800 for 10,000 on Fork 2.
Runway 9859, regional departure, ready to contact, good morning.
Morning. And I don't know if I said it, but after takeoff checklist complete.
5 Golf, Fort Worth Center, 135.75 slow. Jet card 92, Fort Worth Center, 126.57, we'll see you.
2657, jet card 92, get in.
American 353, Fort Worth Center, 135.75, get ready to climb 312. Envoy 9859, direct Hannah, maintain 10,000.
Direct Canada at 10,000, envoy 9859. Perfect. Hannah. 10 is already set.
10 is.
County 502 Heavy, regional departure, ready to contact, good morning. Envoy 9859, establishing that turn. Traffic will be at your 1 to 2 o'clock and 7 miles northwestbound. Airbus 12 for 11, 5 and trail of him. 14 for an 11 is an Embraer.
Roger, we'll look for both of them, envoy 9859. There's one.
County 502, direct Jasper, climb and maintain 17,000.
You got autopilot on.
And it's engaged. Nine for 10,000.
9%.
County 502, Fort Worth Center, 135.75, we'll see you.
Alrighty. What do we have here? Let's see.
Envoy 9859, climb maintain 17,000 and Fort Worth Center, 126.57, good day.
So 17,000 and forward center on 126.57. You take care.
17,000 is set.
Right, yes. Forward center envoy 9859 out of 10 for 17,000.
Envoy 9859, Fort Worth Center, climb maintain 5 level 290.
5 level 290, envoy 9859.
Right under 1 under uniform contact, Memphis Center 135.
Wow, that's nice. Really? Going up almost all the way. Doesn't usually happen. Oh, yeah.
Card 92, flight maintain flight level 410.
Flight maintain flight level 410, check card 92.
It's a nice day.
It is. Gotta appreciate it here before we get down closer.
I know, the storms in Miami.
Yeah.
Pretty much the whole state was going to be one big storm, right? Yeah.
Welcome to summer in Florida.
I know.
Oh, home. It's easy though. Get used to it.
Climb checklist.
Altimeter is 2992. Set cross check.
2992, set cross checks.
Starlight off. Exterior lights are set. Lap check is complete.
We just got a special ATIS issued from Miami. Weather's about a half-mile visibility, heavy rain and thunderstorms missed, low ceilings. That's pretty typical for Miami.
Yeah, you know,
summer weather.
Summer weather, you know, it's almost every day it's like this, so you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, it's already getting a little bit bumpy, but we're going down right now. We'll be on the ground in about 40 minutes.
Approach Envoy 9859 out of 11,300 for 10,000 via information. Juliet.
240. Lock. Bring 1438, starting at 240.
Right at 240, bring 1438.
I'm approach Envoy 9859, about to leveling off at 10. We have information, Juliet, on a 110 heading for, or excuse me, 100 heading for deviation.
9859, you'll take my headings in just a minute. Thank you for that, and you can expect RNAV 8 left.
Expect 8 right, or excuse me, 8 left, RNAV on way 9859.
I'm sorry, yeah, the RNAV 8 left.
RNAV 8 left.
American 1438 looks like you didn't
So
heading, but it
I'll
was
plug
for
it in
traffic
for you.
at your 11
Thanks. Sorry
o'clock at
about
about 5 miles. He's climbing out of 9859,
That's
right,
right.
heading of 150.
150 on way 9859.
Runway 9859 on that heading, you can have deviations 10 degrees left or right. You'll see what I'm talking about in a second.
Roger, left or right 10 approved on way 9859.
Every 25, 20.
Alright, RNAV, GPS runway 8 left.
Right heading on 5-3.
Our new
Every
min
25, 23,
right now is
climb
going to be
maintain 7,000. Traffic will be overhead at 8.
Okay, climbing, I'm at 10,000, I'm at 5-3, before traffic.
Every
it's gonna be
25, 23,
600.
heavy, just confirm you said 7,000.
on the RAs.
7,000, I'm at 5-3.
Have that there. Okay. So from Miami, final approach course is going to be heading 092, case at 1,500 feet.
777.
And then our LNAV VNAV minimum is, excuse me, LNAV minimum is going to be 600 feet.
Miami approach maintained via FAR. Tamiami, this information.
In case we go missed, it's going to be a climb to 800.
3003.
Then a left turn at 3,000 to Barbara and hold. MSA for where we're coming in is 2,900 feet. Landing on 8 right.
78, climb at 10,
8 left. Sorry, 8 left.
Climbing departure Transauto.
And we'll make a right turn off and hold short of runway 8 right.
Joey 135, Miami departure, radar contact.
Departure,
Right, so we're gonna have a little saw up here.
Okay.
2000 for Balaka.
Square 2309, Miami approach.
That's
I'm not
correct.
going to take your
Approach
request yet.
plan.
Just climb to 3000, go eastbound, and I'm going to
Okay,
take you
alright, so we're
southbound
gonna
towards
go through this
Manatee
gap.
unless you
Okay.
just want to go via FAR. Wagner.
Вступил на Авито, стойки.
2605, Wagner 421.
Coast Guard 2309, if what you want to do is other than that, just let me know in a second.
And Coast Guard 2309, we'll take the
FAR out of the Bravo.
Wilco, Coast Guard 2309.
Lamprey 2523, heavy turn right heading up 260, vectors first from spacing.
Okay, right heading 260, number 5-3.
Tampa 4016, heavy descend to maintain 6000.
Descending to 6000, Tampa 4016.
And American 1438, descend to maintain 8000.
Out of 1000 for 8000, American 1430.
I'm on Boy 9859, as soon as you're able to proceed direct via Cup Cross at a 3 cleared RNAV 8 left approach, you should be able to do that in about 3 miles.
Roger, when able direct bike up and you wanted us to cross that, what else?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Yeah, asked us to cross bike up at a certain altitude.
Yeah, at or above 3.
At or above 3 at bike up on my 9859.
UPS 378, contact Miami Center 124.7,
3,000
good
is
day.
set.
3,000 set,
And we can
Avis
take
Vela.
back up.
Switching Miami 124.7, good day.
Coast Guard 2309, you're wanting to go
Are we
west
good
for
for
this?
it?
Yep.
Coast Guard 2309, Miami. February 2523, heavy climb, maintain 16,000.
Maintain 16,000, number 5-3. Miami approach, Hawker 3 on 2 Sierra Juliet, leveling off at 10,000.
Sierra Juliet, flighting at 090, maintain VFR.
Starlight Island complete, UMB set.
Set.
Center, good morning. November 438, Romeo Victor, 14,000, direct Manatee.
And approach 553 at Papa 2000, back with you for another island.
Center 312, Sierra Juliet, we need to deviate left for this buildup, just slightly. I'm sorry, I'm dealing with a lot of stuff right now, guys, so just bear with me. If you do something and I didn't acknowledge it and you get close to another plane, it's on you. Lamprey 2523, heavy turn left direct to Manatee.
Direct Manatee, number 5-3.
Tampa 4016, heavy descend to maintain 3,000.
3,000, Tampa 4016.
Number 2, Sierra Juliet, fly heading at 150.
Fly heading 150 to Sierra Juliet.
Until I get past this buildup, sir. Transoto 81.
And Miami Tower helicopter, 644 Bravo Bravo, just departed Miami, you'd like to squawk with you. Helicopter 644 Bravo Bravo, Miami Tower, squawk 4327, altimeter is 3003. 4327, Bravo Bravo. Number 4 Bravo Bravo, radar contact 3 miles east of Tamiami Airport, verify altitude, and what are your intents? 4 Bravo Bravo, we're at 500, and we got a couple portal locations, at the time staying 500 below, headed towards the Biltmore and Coral Gables area at the time. I got a 4 Bravo Bravo, turn to Bravo airspace south of 836. Into the Bravo south of 836, and we'll call you on location.
So we go flaps 9.
Course alive and it's cross-checked. No flags. $2,500 for a 1,500.
flaps 22. And before landing checklist.
Before landing checklist. Landing gear 3 green.
3 green.
Speed brake closed. Thrust rating TO1. Flaps at 22 degrees. Before landing checklist complete.
Minimums.
Leaving MDA, set missed approach altitude via approach point.
500.
500 feet, sink in 800. You're on speed. VRAP plus.
200. 100.
Yaw damp is off. Knots.
And
My aircraft.
Your aircraft.
60 knots.
Onboard 9859, cross 8 right, taxi to the ramp and contact the gate.
Cross 8 right, taxi to the ramp, envoy 98.
Taxi to gate, you said?
Yes.
Okay, awesome.
You're clear right.
Clear on the left, and once we get across 8 right, then we can do an accolade checklist.
Clear right.
Clear left.
You want the APU? Probably shut it down, so I don't know.
Yeah.
You want it? Okay. I'll be on 2 real quick. Which one are we going to?
60 Bravo.
Okay. Ramp envoy 9859 on the ground for 60 Bravo.
Onboard 9851, 59, that's about 15, south line to the gate, through heavy.
Spot 15 south line to the gate envoy 9859.
Actually, 1232 heavy, Miami Tower, caution wake turtles, cheers, Bravo heavy, Airbus, runway 9 clear to land. Clear to land, runway 9 or land. Number 4016 heavy, taxi via Sierra. Via Sierra, ramp, Tampa 4016.
After line is complete.
Alright. And since it's a little wet, we'll keep both of them onto the gate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Envoy 9859, if you're not going to 12, just get rid of the traffic, he's going to go straight ahead.
Okay.
And Miami helicopter 6 Bravo Bravo, we're heading to our next site is just northeast of the Moreland Stadium. We'll stay 500 below. Our 6 Bravo Bravo, right.
Clear right.
Our 4 Bravo Bravo, the precipitation in the vicinity seems to be connecting to the cell that's all the way across the airport, defying in your area as well. And tower, helicopter 4 Bravo Bravo, we're on location. We'll be here a couple minutes. Roger.
Shutdown checklist.
Shutdown checks. Captain signs off at section overrides auto. Windshield heat 1 and 2 is off. Transponder standby. Park brake.
On.
Dress levers.
Idle.
Gas lock.
Lock.
Digital steering. Shutdown.